In this video, I'll demonstrate the skills of Adobe Experience Platform's AI Assistant, which is powered by Agent Orchestrator. Adobe Experience Platform Agent Orchestrator is the technology behind Adobe Experience Platform agents. It powers the intelligence and reasoning behind these expert agents, enabling them to execute complex decision-making and problem-solving tasks at speed and at scale. In this demonstration, you'll see the following agents being used: Audience Agent, Journey Agent, Experimentation Agent, and Data Insights Agent. CitySignal is a fictitious global telco company. It provides mobile, landline, internet and TV products. Earlier this year, it launched a new fiber broadband product with a phased rollout, and the last rollout was in New York in September 2025. In January 2026, it will be rolling out Fiber Max in Vienna and Bangkok, and as a marketer, I'll be analyzing data to understand which audiences and journeys need to be created for this upcoming rollout. Let's start our conversation with AI Assistant. When interacting with AI Assistant, it's helpful to set the context of your conversation first. In this case, I'm selecting Journey Optimizer as the documentation source, which helps to give preference to which set of Experience League documents to check for questions that relate to product knowledge. I'm also setting my sandbox, which helps AI Assistant to know which sandbox to look at when answering questions. And I'm also selecting a data view, which helps AI Assistant to understand where to go to find answers related to insights questions. Once the context is set, I'll submit my first prompt, which is intended to get a feeling for purchase trends in the last 60 days. This helps set my baseline understanding of sales. I'm really interested to see how sales for fiber products evolved over the last 2 months, so my next prompt is targeted at understanding the impact of the fiber campaign on sales. And the result is this graph, which clearly shows the evolution of sales throughout the last 2 months. For the next campaign, I'd like to understand how to influence the creation of banners and promotions, and I would like to see if there's a relationship between a customer's preferred genre and their purchase of fiber. First of all, I need to know which field is used in Adobe Experience Platform to collect information about the preferred genre. Let's ask AI Assistant. Okay, this is very helpful. Now I know which fields to use. With that information, I can start to break down the sales by genre, which clearly shows a correlation with the sci-fi genre. So next, I'd like to understand more about the journeys that already exist. I can now see all the existing journeys and download a file for my own reference. There are a lot of journeys, but for now I only care about the journeys related to fiber, so I'll filter down the list with a new prompt. The CitySignal Fiber Max launch promotion journey is of interest. Let's have a look. AI Assistant also helps me to understand the details about each journey, like which initial audience is being used. And by the way, the autocomplete option is very useful to retrieve specific objects in my environment. So now I know which journey was used for the previous rollout of fiber. I'd like to get more insights on how that journey performed and where people fell out of the journey. The fallout analysis in AI Assistant gives me the data of where people fell out, and it also presents me with an easy to understand explanation as to why this may have happened, along with recommendations on how to fix it. Next, I need to create a new audience. Based on the above insights and my own research, it would be good to create an audience that combines people with high monthly download volumes and a preference for science fiction and fantasy. AI Assistant presents me with a plan and will ask my approval of the plan and also before executing each step. After reviewing the query expression and the size estimation, my audience is now created and can actually be used. Let's also review existing audiences that target a similar audience. Like, are there already audiences in my environment that target heavy downloaders? And also, how much have these audiences changed over time? Which of these audiences is used in a journey? And are those journeys currently running? All useful information that is required before deciding whether or not a new journey is needed and how to configure it. I'm now going to create a new journey, and once again, AI Assistant presents me with a plan for doing that. There are 5 steps in this plan, and each step will require me to approve executing it. After selecting the audience to start with and reviewing my draft proposal, my journey is now approved and created in draft mode in Journey Optimizer. So I can now go to Journey Optimizer and further fine-tune the journey before activating it. When configuring new journeys, it's useful to understand if that leads to any journey conflicts. AI Assistant helps me understand how to handle journey conflicts by first of all sharing knowledge from Experience League and then showing me which conflicts exist for the journey I selected, combined with recommendations on how to resolve these conflicts. CitySignal has also been running experiments on journeys, and I'd like to understand how these experiments have performed. So let's ask. As part of the response, I'm seeing each experiment's details and KPIs with additional suggestions on how to further deep dive on the experiments to understand the results even more. You've now seen AEP Agent Orchestrator in action with AI assistants and how the various expert agents are able to fast-track your understanding of your marketing campaigns and personalization, and also how to configure all the elements needed for new campaigns even faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.